Alden, Richard update ay sa February na pala ang Stars on the Floor ni Alden season 2, kaya pala may pa-rehearsal na yun, no? Abangan. Saka spotted din si Alden sa Mark Sullivan ng bridal posture. Sabi na nag-post, the king of drama Mr. Alden Richard at MSN. Yan, mukhang nagpasukat na si Alden ng outfit niya. Ito interview kay Alden at Nadine Luther.
Different campaigns ng maliliit na projects lang eh. And looking back din sa mga nakabaho ko in the past, parang I really wanted to work with Nadine kasi of course I usually see her works in terms of movies and series, tapos on how she is as a person.
And it talks about, the beauty of Siargao and the beauty of the people as well. Maganda po kasi yung intention ng project. Kaya I think talagang good vibes lang. Open lang po lang
From COVID.
from COVID. So people who are are vaccinated could travel na. So Siargao was really the first destination that we wanted to go to because we have friends that have been living there for a while. And then, alam mo yung weird doon na sa kotse, pagland namin, nasasakyan kami, tumitingin lang ako sa labas, sa ventana. Sabi ko talaga sa friends ko,
Dito na ako.
You know what, I honestly feel like I could live.
But I was able to really get a grasp of why the Siargao curse is a well-known saying dun sa area. There's something about the people, there's something about the place itself, and there's something about this feeling that you have once you step into the island, na parang niyayakap ka niya ng buo. And I think that's one thing also and one of the reasons why yung mga ilan sa mga kakilala natin sa industriya chose to settle here. Kasi
Example, me.
kasi kumbaga parang it's meron siyang konsepto ng home away from it.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, yung Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.